Which is better, matches or lighters? Today we will be exploring this age-old conundrum. First up is this regular Bendy-Neck Lighter. You can pick it up at Dollar Tree for about $1.25. As you can see, it works fairly well for lighting leaves, but it doesn't light sparklers very well as it takes some time. Also, it does not work very well under windy conditions. Next up is this electric Ark Lighter. It doesn't work very well for lighting leaves unless they are dry, but it is very good for lighting sparklers. However, if you are holding them in your hand, do not do this because it will give you a mild shock. It also performs very well under windy conditions. There's also the Butane Jet Lighter. It works incredibly well for lighting leaves, sparklers, and fuses. It also comes in pocket-sized editions such as this, which can be picked up at the dollar store for about $1.50. However, it does not perform very well under high wind conditions. This is a pocket-sized cigarette lighter. It works similarly to the Bendy-Neck Lighter, except that it is slightly cheaper and easier to find. This is a standard box match. It comes in 300 packs for about $1.50. It is an extremely versatile tool, good for lighting leaves and sometimes sparklers. It does not perform very well in windy conditions, however, but is favored by many. This is a standard paper match. It is good for lighting leaves and smoke bombs, but is not very good for lighting sparklers because of its short burn time. It does not perform well in windy conditions. There are also strike anywhere matches. They are versatile and good for lighting leaves and other materials. This is a storm-proof match. It is the ultimate survival fire starter. It lights leaves and many other things, and is so flammable it even burns underwater. Of the lighters, our favorite was the Butane Jet Lighter. It can be bought for about $10 for a pair on Amazon. Our favorite overall was the Strike Anywhere match. It can be bought for about $5 for 300.